So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the text size in a video here on InShot. So here's my video right here. If I wanted to go ahead and add some text, press on text right here, then press on text once again. Go ahead and type in your video. So I'll just type in text size right here. Now the simplest way to do it is to just go ahead and you can make the font size larger or smaller just by dragging the corner of it right here. You can also go ahead and do that. That's the simplest way to do it. You can go ahead and press on a bunch of different things right here. If you want to go ahead and change the text size to a precise size, you can slide this bar just like this to make it larger or smaller, just like that. So if I were to go ahead and play the video, for example, there's my text, and it's super simple. Press on the text right here, you can make it larger or smaller, play the video, and kind of play around with it that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can edit text size here in a video here in InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.